You want to do?
Paint.
Are you painting? Look what you did already. Isn't that beautiful? Would you like some more paint?
No paint.
You want more paint? More? Good signing, buddy. Ready? Here we go. Want to do some green?
Green.
And what color do you want? Blue?
Blue.
Blue? We'll get some nice video of you painting, you big boy. There's some blue. Do you want red or yellow now?
Hello.
You want yellow? Oops. Where's the blue? That is so fun, isn't it? Are you doing a good job?
This is the blue.
Yeah, there's blue on your fingers. You want some yellow?
Hello.
Yellow.
Hello.
All right, you want to do yellow?
Hello.
Show me what you got, buddy. Can you show me? Can you paint with the yellow? Ooh. That is very good.
More. Mama.
More paint? You want some red?
No, lemon.
There you go.
Boo.
More blue? Do the red. Well, you want some blue too? All right.
The blue.
We're having a good day. There you go. Wow. Good job, Noah.
I didn't know the blue hand.
Are you messy?
The
Oh, no. Yucky, yucky, yucky. Doesn't that taste yucky?
paint.
It's paint. Yeah, don't eat it. It's yucky. Do you want to wash your hands? Ugh! Yucky. Want to go wash your hands?
More paint.
You want more paint? Can you say please? Okay, we'll put the camera away. Say bye-bye, camera.
Pineapple.